All right, at 5:49 on your Wednesday morning, fog becoming more and more of an issue as you get on out about. We've been watching our live camera here over the French Quarter, and fog really thickening up. This is going to be the case here in the quarter because we're closer to the river. Also, the closer you get to the lake, we've got dense fog, and we do have areas of dense fog scattered all over the place, from Kenner to Laplace to Reserve to Gonzales, all up and down I-10. I-12, we've got fog from Slidell to Hammond. It's dense. Bogalusa, Picayune, even over in coastal Mississippi, down in Lafitte, Belle Chase, Houma. All these areas are reporting dense fog, so be very careful this morning. This afternoon, the warm temperatures become our main story, near record highs. I'm forecasting 83. The record is 83. That was set back in 1951, so 71-year record high could be tied later on today. There's a 10% chance of a shower. Most are not going to see anything heavy. Warm weather is here for the rest of your 7-day forecast. We will see it improve some, but we don't have any big cold fronts through at least the Tuesday to Wednesday time frame. Now, I do see some changes coming. It looks like we will flip to a cooler pattern by the Thursday time frame of next week. Your temperature outlook into next week, warm temperatures continue out west. We're on that dividing line where we should start to get some cooler temperatures approaching us, and then the widespread cold is going to stay out to the west and the north. And by the way, the cold air is building up. It's negative 30 plus or minus degrees up in North Dakota and southern Canada this morning. This is where the cold air builds before it obviously gets down to us, and I think by next week it'll start to make its way towards us. Reason we're in this warm pattern, we've got a ridge of high pressure. We're under that kind of bubble of warm air. All the cold air is locked out west and north under this big upper level low pressure, and what you need to happen here in these lines you see are the jet stream. These are the fast winds, 20 to 30 to 40,000 feet up. The jet stream needs to move closer to us and pull that cold air down before we can see it. And it does look like by Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, it will get some movement to it. Cold air starts to descend towards us, but before the cold air gets here, you got warm air to the south, cold air to the north, an active jet stream. You're going to have some stormy weather. So I do think we'll be watching storms next week as well. Monday, severe weather threat towards Oklahoma and Texas. Tuesday, just to our north. I think Wednesday is when we'll get some storms. But before that, we're staying mostly dry. And then maybe by Thursday, we will actually get some chilly air. But in the meantime, we're staying warm and muggy, and we'll be keeping an eye on the fog.